package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. We are back with a new product review, and in today's video we are going to talk about the mini TV game console from Datafrog. Yes, our friends from China, they can't help themselves, they need to make more clone consoles. So this time the victim is the PlayStation Mini Classic from Sony. I already did a review about it, so I think I'm going to make a playlist about all of these clone consoles of the PlayStation 1 Mini. There's nothing much of the box, if you ask me. Some information here, what comes inside the box. TV cable, 2 wired controllers, the game console itself and the AC adapter. Plug and play, built-in game 620. Supports 2-player battle. Let's check out what's inside. Alright, let's do a little bit of overview. What are we going to get inside? Oh yeah, people. This is what we call the next generation of toilet paper manuals. How to connect to PC. Whatever. Go away! And we're having here 2 controllers with no shoulder buttons. Whoa, these things are pretty light. I must say, the touch is not bad at all. Oh, chemical plastic. Very long cables with USB connection, so that is pretty unique. I've never seen this before. Alright. You can hear it already. Yes, AVO people, no HDMI, so there's a big bummer. Ooh, plastic bag, let's see. This one has a micro USB connection, that's new. I must say the power supply looks pretty nice. It's 5 volts, I'm guessing. Wow, I can barely read it. I can read this thing. Made in China. Alright, and the system itself. Wow, it's cute. We're going to do a comparison with the original one and all the other versions. Ooh, sticky button. Power, reset, to USB. Here at the back we're finding micro USB and AV out. Okay, what is this? That doesn't open, there's no decal on it. That's it? No rubber feet or something? Nope. This is what we're going to get. Let's power it on. And let's see. 620 games, people. Woohoo! Howdy! Alright, people. Here we have the original system. So this is the clone I've reviewed before. Alright. Alright, and now we're adding the original PlayStation Mini. And now let's add the last released clone. So what you can see, it looks almost similar to the original thing. Alright, let's do a side-by-side comparison. So funny thing is, this thing looks almost identical to the original one here on the video. Alright, here a little bit of side-by-side, and what you can see, they really copied the original PlayStation Mini. Alright, let's take one from the side. And yes, they really ripped off the original one this time. So let's do a quick comparison with the controller. And they tried to rip it off, but you can see it on the ground, but here you can see this one is freaking tiny. And of course this isn't a very nice high quality product. This thing is pretty flimsy. I think I can break it if I'm pushing some force to it. I'm not going to do it, but Alright, game time. Alright people, let's do a little bit of an overview what kind of games are on this system. I'm very curious, are we going to get some double games, or are there a lot of homebrew games? Are there familiar games? Alright, let's go do a quick scroll. I see a lot of weird titles I've never hit before. this sound is really annoying, like always. Yeah, I'm skipping very fast, but I have no clue. Is there a double thing? Yeah, there are, I think, some double games. We're having Hexapod, New Year and War. Those are basically all homebrew crap. Oh, yes, I see a double game. Maybe Super Mario and Contra is back here. So in overall, people, it's a scam. There are no 620 games in one. Alright, let's do a little bit of gameplay and let's see how is the quality. By the way, I'm upscaling this with my new device, and this is the signal output that you're going to get rubbish like this. So for the final conclusion about this product, the idea behind it is ripping off the PlayStation 1 Mini, alright, but it's again an 8-bit system like all the other stuff. But nevertheless, the signal output in AV out, so it's not the best. I'm using an upscaler, so it looks a little bit better. I want to point out I am using a splitter with the audio signal. So in other words, I have a mono signal from basically signal for one speaker, but I'm splitting it up so I'm having audio from 2 speakers. So I just wanted to point that out. So you're thinking, oh, it has stereo sound. No, it doesn't have. So this is what we're going to get. I did try to use another controller, but it didn't work, so you're stuck with this one. So if you are getting a rage moment and breaking it in 2, you're having a problem. There's no way of getting a spare one. And in overall, the games are crap. A lot of crappy games. There are some familiar games on it, but some nutty games. But that's it. Let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell for upcoming videos. Give this video a like, even if you don't like this product. And let me know what you think of this in the comments. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye. I'm forgetting the best part of it. You know what you need to do. When it's naughty, it's going to get whipped. Naughty, naughty, naughtiness, clone sting, whatever. It's naughty and going to get whipped.